Drivin Ivan here, and it's Audi City. Well, Mercedes, and there's some other cool cars here too, actually. FJ Cruiser. Somewhere outside of Chatham, New York here. Just stumbled upon this place. Old Mercedes, and looks to be a repair shop or something. Yes. But really cool to see all these cars just in one place, just sitting here. Kind of snowed over a bit. But if you like Audis, there's a lot of them here. Land Rover. What really caught my eye actually was this Mercedes SL. It's a 500 SL. I've got full driving reviews of those. I have a 74 450 SL at the time. That's pretty cool. M convertible here. Fiat Spider back there, had one of those. I have full driving review of that one too, but it's good to see these cars still out here and probably getting fixed. Somebody is waiting for these things to get back to them, and that's good. My Audi TT, which I do a full review on and drive it in the snow, is that's kind of made me an Audi fan, although I remember the 5000s back in the 80s, and there were some wild looking cars, especially the station wagon. FJ Cruiser's cool too, but Audi's a car, especially like an old Audi that you kind of fall in love with. They're the sort of cars that you just keep pouring money into because you like the way they drive, and might not make sense, but you just keep spending the money on them. Of course, old Mercedes wagons are cool too. So there you have it. Somewhere near Chatham, New York. Bunch of Audis, old Mercedes, BMW, Land Rover, cool Fiat. And as the sun sets, don't forget to smash that like button and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And thanks for watching. Search any car and Drivin Ivan. I am Drivin Ivan.